So, hello everyone, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Crib. My name is Coach Isabella, and today I'm going to teach us how to use Clockify as a time management tool for every virtual assistant. So, now as a virtual assistant, you should know how to track your time for your clients. You know, you should know how to use Clockify to track time so that you can get paid at the end of your work or your tasks given to you by that particular client. So if you don't know how to use Clockify, it's a time for you to do that. So I'm going to walk us through how to use it from start to finish as a virtual assistant. Okay, so let's get it started now. All right, you click Clockify so you can sign up if you don't have an account. See, so I think I have accounts already. Let's see. Great, great, great. Sorry, it's taking a while. Okay, so now they're asking us what is welcome to the best tracking tool. Yes, Clockify is used to do what? To track your time. So now just need to fill this. They want to know so they can customize it to fit into what you want. Basically, can click. Okay, let's just choose one. Different training. Let's leave it like that. Now, this is what you can use Clockify for. To analyze which tasks take, as in, to analyze tasks um, time, to keep track of your projects, uh, to plan projects and team capacity, to track time to be your client. This is the essence of this video, to track time to be your client. Now you can also clock in and clock out via kiosks on a single device. You can track team activities here in Clockify. You can also do cost control and payroll in Clockify. And you can also achieve and maintain compliance in Clockify. So they want you, okay, sorry, track that. Okay, this is what I want you to do. Now, okay, how did you hear about us? You can just do that, possibly. Let's Google. Just put this get out of here. So, wow, we are now on Clockify homepage. So what do we do next? Let's okay. Now, for you to start working on Clockify, okay, let me just explain what we have. What we have here. So take this. Okay. All right. Let's just start. Now we have time tracker. This is used to do what? To track time, to track what we are working on. The particular project that you're working on is used to track it. We can, to log in a new project, you click here and you name the project that you are working on. That's for time tracking. This is calendar. Okay. Now you can also put in, whatever tasks you want to do on the calendar. You can put it there. Just click on it. You click on it and you put on the projects that you've done, what you've worked on, the project, you search for it, then tag. If you want to tag it to any okay, you can search tag, want to tag it to anybody. Then is it billable? This tax you did for this client, is it billable? You click yes and you add. But we're not doing that at the moment. Okay, so let's close it. Now we also have a dashboard. Okay, now this dashboard will show us all the activities we've done, how it is being, what we've done, the project we've done. It will show us more information about the project. Show us clients, the particular client that owns the project, the total time that we use for that particular project, and the project itself. So dashboard shows us everything we need to know about the project that we're working on. Now this is report as well. For report, we have summary, we have detailed. Summary is more like you summarizing your reports. Now we have detailed, where you put in everything in full. Then weekly, more like you giving a weekly report. Then shared, more like you sharing a report as well. Okay, so we have projects. Now at even we've created a project, you see the project here. Say create project to stay organized and on track. We also have the next is we have our team. Now I'm the only person here, which is I'm the owner of this particular account. So at even we have group. Now we see it here, we don't have any group. Okay, so you have to, if you want to add other members, if you have other members of the team as an admin, you can add them here. You just click here, you invite them with their email. Okay, let's see. For example, let's invite this person. Okay, send invites. The person will receive the invites. Okay, once you send the invite, the person should be able to do what? Should receive the invites. Have to verify. Okay. So this is VA3. You already did what? Now let's refresh. Okay, this is it. Now we already have them here now. So now we can give them roles. If you want to give them role, any role you want to, can give them. So let's see here. This is it. You have invited this person to what? To our team, and this is the person. So that's how you add a new member to your team on Clockify. That's how you add a new member to your team. So that's that to add team members. And the next is what's the next? Tags. Okay, tags is used to add additional information to time entries and to get more data insights with reports. Excuse me. So that's it. Now let's go back to the main reason why we are here, which is what? Time tracking. Now, to track time for a particular project so that you can bill your clients, what you just need to do is you just come here, you add the project first. Let's say we're creating a new project. Let's title it social media content creation. Okay, now You can change the color tag. Let's put this one. Let's put it to okay, let's use this. Now, clients. Do we have any clients? We don't have any clients yet. Okay. Are we using any templates? No, we are not using. And for you to use templates, you need to upgrade it to a standard plan for you to use what? Templates. Now, what do? We create. So we already what? Have a project that we are working on. Now it will be easy for you to what? Track time on this project when you start working. What you just need to do, you just click on start and start counting. This is it. It's supposed to show here as well that you know that started counting for you. So that is how to track your time. Then once you are done working, you can just come here and click stop. It will record. This is it. Then you can edit this particular uh, project that you work on. Now by adding description on it. What is this project? Researching, let's say researching content for social media channels. That shows. Now that's it. If you need to add more details, you can do that. It all depends on what you're working on and how you want your clients to understand it. So that's that. And this is billable. It's billable. So this hour can be what? Paid. Okay, this is calendar. This is today. If it was yesterday, maybe you want to edit, you now take it back. Okay, it's yesterday time, but this one now is for today. So that's it. Now we can also go on to this is adding time manually. Understand? Manual time. You can add. Maybe you want to edit this particular time. Okay, let's say you want to increase the time, the work time. Let's say you're stopping 1:15. There is also select project as well. No, just have one project. Still this. Now the time has done what? It has increased. Then what did you work on? Content research. This is it. Another time. Then if you don't want to start another time, you can click here to continue working on this particular activity. It says continue timer for this activity. Let's say you still want to work on this particular project and you don't, or task, and you don't want to start a new time, you can just click on this. It has started. This is it. It started counting. It will be counting. Then at the end of the day, stop. It has added. This is it. 12 what? 14. 1:15. Now, this is the total week hours that you've worked. So we also have one or two things. Okay, let's say you can also edit your profile. If you want to change your profile picture, you can also do that here. Also preferences, your settings. You don't want to group similar time entries, you can untick it here. Then if you don't want you say make compact project list, make project selection easier when you have hundreds of projects by collapsing it. You can collapse this. Tax filter, if you want to activate your tax filter, you can do that. If you want to change your time zone, to fit into your client's time, you can do that here as well. Change it. This is it. If you're in the Eastern time zone, you search for it. If you're in the Pacific time zone, you put it. Eastern time zone, you search for it. Then you add it. Okay? But this is my time zone now. Then your date format, you want to change it. You want it to be month, date, year. You can do that. month date here, you can do that as well. Your time format here, if you want to do 12 hours, you can also do it. And that's that. So that's practically. Then if you want to change your theme to dark, you can change it to dark, but I prefer it light. Then if you want to change your language as well, you can also do that to any language you wish to change. We have other language here. So we have email notification as well. Now, so choose what type of email notification you wish to receive from them. Newsletter, if you want their monthly newsletter from Clockify, you click on it, they will start sending you their newsletters. You receive an email series about key features, and activities upon joining Clockify. That is, if they have new features that can benefit you, they once you click, they'll start sending you via email. Now weekly reports. You want Clockify to always give you weekly reports about your time tracking. Those hours we tracked previously, you want to start getting messages from Clockify, you just tick this and you'll start doing it, and on and so on and so forth. That is it. So Clockify, you using Clockify to manage your time or to track your time is very, very easy. It's very easy. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, if you need me to talk on any other tool that you want to understand very well, you can send a message and I will be available to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos, and to comment as well. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.